Today, we're all going to test out the bidet and just show you what it's like. Oh, wow.
It's the nicest thing in the world.
Some of us have never used it. I'm gonna show you what it's like to install the bidet on the toilet, and then we're all gonna go through and test it and just see what the experience is like to get your hoo-ha watered and hosed down. And one of my friends...
My hoo-ha. Is the title of this video using a bidet featuring Apple Watch Ultra?
Yes, because every video features an Apple Watch Ultra. I'm gonna track my usage. Okay, so my friend has this really good analogy.
You eat food in a plate, and then you wash the dish, right? You don't wipe the dish. So think of your... Can I swear?
Yeah, sure.
Think of the same way, bro. You disgusting.
I got 3 friends with me here today. Let me introduce you.
I'm just the new guy I rolled in on the street. Yeah, I'm just happy to be here and try the bidet. I've never tried it before.
And it's Nick, right?
Yeah, my name's
Nick. Nick was like, I'll do it. There's my son, Tejas. You've all seen him in past videos.
I've used the bidet so often that sometimes I don't even have to poop and I just go for a nice massage.
When was the first time you ever used a bidet?
I actually installed one at my parents' house as a joke. It soon didn't become a joke and became the best present that I think I ever got for anyone.
Cousin Colt.
He looks more like your son than I do.
I don't think so.
We got Colt.
My bidet experience is zero. Nothing goes near my except toilet paper.
After using a bidet, it is hands down the best product I've bought in my entire life, and it costs under $50. This is the experience of installing a bidet. So this is our toilet, and we're gonna install the bidet here. And I think up here, you can pop these off, and then there's a screw to take the lid off.
Here we've got the water that feeds into the bottom. Usually that's around this area. We'll go ahead and turn that off. And you might get a little bit of water spillage. Make sure it's fully off. We're gonna unscrew this. Just keep going. Yeah, so we got a whole bunch of water spilled.
And then you just say, hey Colt, can you do the rest? And then that's it.
This is a cheap Amazon bidet. I literally just bought it. You take it out of the plastic and these holes will go right up there. So I need to unscrew the lid, put this on here, but then this will stick out the side and then you can turn it on and off. Sometimes you actually do want to use this stuff so it doesn't leak. I probably should use that actually. This stuff kind of just like unwraps. And then when it's on there, it looks like that. And then this will go on the bottom. And then this is the hose extender. So we'll get that installed. Make sure no water comes out. Make sure your bidet is off. And now, this is the moment of truth. Does this spew water or not? Uh-oh, this should work. Okay, it looks like it's working. And then what I can do is I can turn that knob and this should spew out water. We're gonna take the bidet, set it up properly, just like that. We're gonna get the holes lined up. Now it is installed on the seat with the hose to the extender. It should be able to turn on and off as you turn this. And let's test it out. I think there's like different pressure modes. So now you can like move around a little bit, make sure the pressure's not very strong. Oh, there we go, full blast. Let's test out the roommates and see what they think.
Now that we've installed the bidet, who's going first? Let's go in the bathroom together. Just kidding, I have a little gift for you. Here you go.
What about the Insta360?
What's like your pre-thought of using the bidet?
It genuinely creates the cleanest butt. What's the whole thing that you say? Like if you swat a mosquito on you, are you wiping it?
It's about cleaning dishes. If you have dirty dishes, like none of you, if you haven't used the bidet, like these guys, they've never cleaned their dishes. They're just eating off the same plate that's been dirty. They're wiping their dish with a paper towel and then putting more food on it the next day.
You guys are great.
How does that make you feel?
It's the same food every time. Like if I eat a bowl of spaghetti, I'll just put some spaghetti back in, you know?
What if you're eating chicken the next day or like eggs and you're gonna eat off the same plate?
Poop is poop.
Wash your
What's this
jacket.
anti-bidet propaganda that you're spreading?
I just don't want things near my
Well, these are the benefits of a bidet. No clogging the toilet. Remember when that happened?
That did happen.
But if you use the bidet, there's no toilet paper to clog it. And then 2, you can use one paper towel to dry when you're done. And then you're saving toilet paper. We don't have to buy as much toilet paper.
I am excited. I think it'll change my life.
Let's go use it.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Tejas, come on in. Let's do this. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
There's no electricity to it, right?
This bidet is not powered. It's all gonna be cold water. It's like cold showers. You know, if you don't want to do a cold shower, you can just do a cold bidet.
All right, guys. We'll lock the door here. All right, pants are off. The bidet's going. I'm telling you, it's the nicest thing in the world. It's a great time to reflect. Water is luke cold. Pressure-wise, I think it's a little more pressurized than people expect it to be on their first time. Gotta wash the hands, you know, always wash your hands.
Here we go.
Have fun, man. Can we come in?
You can stay right there. So how do you use it? I'm gonna take my shirt off just to simulate. I'm a naked pooper. It's way better. Can I start slow?
Yeah, start slow.
Oh! Whoa! Yeah, I don't like it. Bro, what the heck? Oh, whoa! I turned it too far. My jingle bells. That was intense. Are you gonna use it again? I think I'll try it again. Well, Nick.
I'm really excited for this. Thanks for letting me stay here, guys. Ooh! Oh, wow. It's kind of warm. It's kind of like, it's so, ooh, it kind of stings, bro. Oh! I feel like a workout's like kind of sore.
How's it feel?
I feel fresh.
Would you use it again?
Probably not, honestly.
You're not gonna give it a
It
shot?
kind of burns.
Man, I'm gonna point that at you.
Maybe I'll give it one more try. I do feel pretty clean.
How much would you pay for that to install one in your own toilets in the future?
I would not pay more than $50.
So that one was like $30 on Amazon. Linked below. If there's any deluxe bidets, the one that has a dryer, a heated seat, and a whole bunch of cool features, let us know. We're more than happy to test it.
Cup holders.
For what?
Cups.
So if this video gets how many likes?
25.
2 if it's in terms of getting a new bidet.
No, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I have a pee test that we will all do. Excited for that?
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Wait,
Really?
What does it test?
Your urine.
what about our urine?
Your
Like
urine.
PEDs?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Since you enjoyed this video, and go watch my video with an ice bath, because cleaning your tushy is just as good as doing an ice bath. Peace.